Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive straight into how to export project data from Asana, a crucial skill for managing your workflow effectively. First up, log into your Asana account and navigate to the project that contains the data you want to export. This is the starting point of our export process. You can't export data if you're not in the right project, right? Once you're there, look for the Export Print option in the drop-down menu, typically found on the upper right-hand side. Now, this option is important because it's the gateway to your data. It allows you to get all the information about your project in a format that you can easily manipulate or archive for future use. After clicking on Export Print, you'll have a few options. You want to select Export as CSV. This option is your friend because it exports your project data into a CSV file, a universally accepted format that can be opened in multiple platforms like Excel or Google Sheets. This gives you the flexibility to work with your data in the way you find most convenient. Once you've selected Export as CSV, Asana will start preparing your data. Depending on the size of your project, this could take a few minutes. The reason we do this is to ensure all your data is captured and formatted correctly. When your file is ready, Asana will send it to your email. Then you can download it and start working with your data. This helps us because it allows you to have a hard copy of your project data, which can be crucial for reporting, archiving, or data analysis. Now that we've done that, let me explain why this matters. By knowing how to export your project data from Asana, you're giving yourself the power to better understand, control, and work with your project's information. This can lead to improved project management, better decision-making, and ultimately higher productivity. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to export project data from Asana. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, knowledge is power. Until next time.